Welcome to your tutorial on forces. This time we're going to look at the two types of forces. Forces can be either classified as being a contact force or non-contact force. When it comes to contact forces, objects must touch or make contact with each other. And we know that happens quite a bit in sport. Here we see two players pushing and pulling each other down as they make lots of contact. When it comes to non-contact forces, it's almost as though the dark arts is happening as objects mysteriously begin to move. Well, that's actually quite normal. For example, when the rain just falls downward, we know that the force of gravity is acting upon it, and that is a non-contact force. When we launch into space or try to make flight, there's lots of forces acting on us as well that we have to be aware of. Wherever you go, there's always gravity wanting to pull you down, and that is a non-contact force. We also know that there's wind or the atmosphere always trying to make air resistance or creating a bit of friction as it makes contact with the outside of your shuttle. So no, why don't we launch from the moon? This is an artist rendition who has provided us with a clever idea in design. The moon provides far less air resistance as it has no atmosphere. So we have no air making air resistance with our shuttle. We also have far less gravity on the moon. So we have the force of gravity not acting upon us in the same way, always trying to return us back to the ground. Here's another added bonus. The moon is filled with hydrogen and oxygen, and those are the two chemical ingredients needed to make rocket fuel. So I say that we go ahead with this plan because forces is on our side.